There's a need to do things quicker today to survive. But do not be too hard on yourself and embrace some risks of falling behind. Spend time with the people you love. Living a life without stress is irresponsible. It only means you are giving your load to somebody else. When a thought is not making you rich, making you smile, making you feel loved, do not allow it to ruin your inner peace. A brilliant philosopher can conjure a powerful quote, pleasant and inspiring, but it is only you who can make everything happen. Life has no undo and delete button, but all other keys works. Laughter is the best medicine only for people who know how to laugh. Don't be too grumpy. Read motivational quotes. Motivational quotes lack explanation, but when you start to define what it means, your brain starts to work, and that is often a good start.
This is Earl Sewer. You've just watched 7 of my express thoughts for the week. Thank you, and see you on my next video.